And a special thanks and shout out to Community Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of Martinsville, Indiana, for allowing me to come out and film this 2006 Dodge Charger Daytona RT. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be taking an in-depth walk-around look at this very nice and very unique 2006 Dodge Charger RT Daytona. And this RT Daytona is number 1313 out of 4,000 and is painted in top banana. Features the light Graystone and dark Slate premium leather with perforated preferred Suede interior. And this vehicle is rear-wheel drive. It is powered by a 5.7 liter 16 valve pushrod HEMI V8 engine, creates 350 horsepower at 5,400 RPM, 390 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. Good for a 0 to 60 mile per hour time in 5.5 seconds, going to 100 miles per hour in 14 seconds with a quarter mile speed of 100 miles per hour at 14 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. They are mated to the 5-speed W5A 580 5G-tronic automatic transmission with AutoStick manual shiftability. After a hiatus of 19 years, Dodge reintroduced the Charger nameplate in 2005 for the 2006 model year in a new form. This generation was available only as a four-door sedan using the Chrysler LX platform. The design was intended to be reminiscent of the Chargers of the 1960s and 1970s, and the taillights harken back to that era, as did the new stamped hood and side panels. The 2006 Charger Daytona RT debuted at the Chicago Auto Show. It featured a high-output 350 horsepower version of the 5.7 liter HEMI, as well as an updated suspension with the Nivamat Performance load-leveling rear suspension springs, and also included a Performance 9-land steering gear. The Daytona sat on unique 18-inch polished aluminum wheels with black painted center pockets and sat on 235/55 ZR18 tires. Visual additions included a special front fascia with a chin spoiler and black rear spoiler. In a retro touch, the Daytona RT featured matte black HEMI decals on the hood and a matte black Daytona rear fender stripe. In addition to the matte black trunk finisher and deck lid spoiler, it also featured retro high-impact colors, with this one being in top banana. Alright, we're going to take a look inside. And this vehicle does feature dark tinted aftermarket window tinting. But inside, as you can see, it has a dark slate and a light Graystone interior. And this vehicle does feature power heated mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. Eight-way power driver and passenger seat. And this vehicle also features power adjustable pedals. On the driver's instrument panel, you do have your automatic headlamp control with fog lamp control. You also have your rear trunk release, a leather-wrapped tilt and telescoping steering wheel, unique Daytona performance seats with aggressive bolsters, the preferred suede accents, the body color stitching with the Daytona logo and the head restraint. Alright, I'm panning through the interior and showing a little more detail. As you can see, nice fluid power steering with satin silver accents on the steering wheel. You do have your multifunction trip computer controls as well as audio controls. The leather stitching continues on the steering wheel with the body color stitch accents. Aggressive instrumentation. White face gauges with orange needles. Multifunction controls control your high beams and your turn signal indicators as well as your wiper washers. And you've also got your cruise controls. Alright, moving down the center stack, two large air vents. You've also got your four-way flashers and stability program power switch. AM/FM, Sirius XM satellite radio with CD changer as well as tape player. You've also got dual zone automatic climate control. Small amount of storage or ashtray with a 12-volt power point. You've also got your controls for your outboard heated seats. Body color stitching on the shift handle. You've also got concealed cup holders, as well as a large amount of storage in the center armrest, which also includes another 12-volt power point. Looking overhead, manually dimming rearview mirror. You've also got 3-channel home link universal garage door opener, overhead map and reading lights, as well as your power sunroof controls. You've also got a nice large sunglasses holder as well. Nice large sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors. The sun visors do slide. Alright, I'm going to take a look at the rear seat. Rear door panel treatment continues as the same as the front. Chrome door handles, the light Graystone and dark slate accents. And the rear seats do seat 3 across. They are a 60/40 split folding seat with integrated head restraints on the outboard seats. You've also got the preferred suede accent inner portions as well as the body color stitching. Center armrest folds down to reveal integrated cup holders. And overhead you have passenger assist handles with overhead illumination. And rear passengers also have their own positional air vents, as well as seat back mat pockets. Folding the seats is easy, just locating the tethers at the top of the seats and pulling down. Alright, and opening the trunk is easy. You just press in the trunk release button on the instrument panel. The trunk ajar light will light in the instrument cluster. Alright, and the vehicle does feature a nice deep trunk with 16.2 cubic feet, but it does feature a high lift over height. Nice flat load floor, and this vehicle does feature a WeatherTech mat. It is fully carpeted, fully lined, and illuminated. And underneath the trunk floor well, you do have your spare tire, and as well as the battery. Alright, and this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at the 2006 Dodge Charger RT Daytona. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching.